Today we'll be using a Chromebook running Fusion 360 to create the CAM of a machine profile of the state of Indiana. Then we'll use a Haas Mini Mill to create the part. This video will describe the steps to move from the CAD model to the CAM setup. So here we are, we've got our Indiana state. First thing we need to do is give it some thickness. Currently, if you looked at the side of it, you'd see all it is strictly a plane. So we need to go up to extrude. We're going to extrude this 1/8 of an inch. So now we have some thickness to this part. Going to come up here to design. We're going to move to manufacturing. Now in manufacture, we'll need to make a setup. Come up here to setup. So in setup, we're going to follow these tabs and then just work our way down through each tab. So first thing we need to do is select a machine. So I've got a Haas with A axis. I select operation type milling, work coordinate system. So at this point, you'll see we'll kind of bounce back and forth with this a little bit. But at current, this is the direction that I want this to be in. Now, it is possible if this was flipped on you, you can select and change these around, but this is current for me. Now, at this point, I'm going to select the stock, and then I'll move back to the 0 point on my piece. Oh, so one other thing I need to do, and that is get myself back in English system. Units. We'll be working in inches today. Okay. Back to our setup. So I have a fixed size box. It is 6 inches in X, 3.5 in Y, and my Z is 1.5. The other thing I want to do here for my particular project, I'm going to set this piece to be at the top of my part in Z. Now that that's done, I'm going to jump back. I still need to set this 0 point for my machine to here. Post-process, and I'm using G54 in my machine. So at this point, I have this part set up in my machine. I have the stock. If you look at it, my piece is embedded in the stock. And 000 is the top left-hand corner of this piece. So next video will be finding toolpaths.